A new trend has started: AI documentary style videos. You might have seen it in Drew Brath's latest video too, where he used B-rolls featuring characters without faces. Creators abroad are doing it, and Asian creators are also making this style of content. So you should also learn how to make these videos quickly. Otherwise, the trend will end. So like the video, share it, and let's start quickly. First of all, what do we call these characters? They're called humanoids, meaning they look like humans, but they're not humans. They're more like robots that appear as humans. If you're making documentary style videos or any video, you can use such characters to make your content more engaging, because this is trending, and trends simply mean things people currently enjoy watching. So learn this now and use it in your videos. So let me explain the steps very easily. Head over to Gemini, click on Create Image. Let me show you the basics, how to create this character and how to write prompts according to the story so you get the perfect results. I told you it's called a humanoid. So what will I type? A humanoid drinking Coke and hit on generate. Let's see what it makes. So you may not like the output, so you can try different chats by simply hitting on this new chat option. If you do not like the result, just go and try new input. Looks like a human but is a robot. Now let's go one step higher and write a humanoid wearing a green jacket eating ice cream in New York, and hit on enter, and let's see the result it generates. I just made the prompt bigger to show you how to write prompts based on your concept or story, and you can see it that this improved the image, added clothes, environment, and etc. You can see the city behind this humanoid, and if you want to change its look, you must adjust the prompt as well. So let's try another image. So let's try another prompt, writing a humanoid of matte black color wearing a hoodie walking in the street, and hit on generate. You can see the result it has generated, wearing a hoodie. So this is probably a female humanoid. That's why it has generated this kind of outfit. We can just adjust the prompt, just add male humanoid or female humanoid, adjusting in your prompt. I'm teaching you how to modify prompts to get better results, but sometimes Gemini makes mistakes. The fix is simple, and to fix this, the fix is simple. Just take a new chat and write your prompt again. So let's try another prompt. A group of 10 humanoids of white color wearing black hoodie, and hit on generate and wait for the result. Let's see what it makes, and here is the result. You can see all the humanoids are here. Maybe the amount is not right, so you can just generate again. It's simple. So that's nice. Now if you want to change their clothing style, just replace the item in the prompt, the color of the hoodie, or if you want to change the hoodie, just erase it and replace it with something else. So it's very easy, and hit on generate again. And all you need to remember is to write prompts according to the story. For an example, your story has a humanoid sitting in a classroom. So it can be a humanoid sitting in the classroom wearing a black hoodie. Let's write it as a white humanoid. Same for suspense scenes, interrogation room, cinematic shot. Simply just imagine the scene and write it. So I'll just edit the prompt a little bit so it gives me a clear result. So I have written a suspenseful scene of a white humanoid sitting in the interrogation room while sunlight coming from the right side, green board hanging on the left side, cinematic style, wearing a black hoodie. So I'll just erase the extra part here, and later if I need to edit again, I'll just adjust it here. So one thing you have to keep in mind that this ratio is not for YouTube long form videos, which is 16:9 ratio. This is rather 1:1 ratio that fitted Instagram post, which is also 1:1 ratio. So you need to adjust the ratio to post it in YouTube as a long form video. Step number second, how to get 16:9 YouTube resolution. Gemini usually creates 1:1 square images, not horizontal or vertical format. And even if you command it, make it 16:9 ratio, it will not generate a 16:9 ratio image. Rather, it will keep generating this 1:1 ratio images. So you need to fix fix it manually. So here's the trick. Go to a new window, search for Photopea. Hit on enter. This is their website. Enter in their website and select the new project. You have to select the ratio from here on. So you need to select width 1920 and height by 1080p. Of course, select the background as transparent. Remember to do it properly. Select the background as transparent and rest of the settings will be same and hit on create. This is your project. Kind of looks like Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, but it's not. It's an online site which looks like Adobe Photoshop. You can see they have run the ad on the right side. Pretty cool. You just have to go to the file, same as Photoshop. You have to export it. Be sure to export it as PNG, not JPG or any other format. Be sure to save it as PNG format. See here is PNG and just save it. We have saved the image. Let's see our image. So this is our image, which is transparent. That's why it's looking blank. So it's perfectly done. And just close it, close the Photopea and go back to Gemini and drop the saved transparent image here and adjust the prompt writing. Use the uploaded image as a reference for the aspect ratio and hit on generate. Let's wait for the result. As you can see, the result is ready. Here you can see the difference. It was in 1:1 ratio and now Gemini has generated the image as 16:9 ratio image. So this is how you adjust the photos to get the perfect ratio according to your expectation. You can use this method for further steps whenever you are generating any kind of image of any ratio using Gemini. And see, it works perfectly. For Instagram Reels, do the same thing, but save a vertical blank template instead. So just save the image. To remove this watermark, it's quite simple. Just open the image and use this photo editor. Just hit on here on the edit option and then you can see there is an erase with AI mode was activated in this software. This is the basic software in any kind of operating system. So hit on this erase option and just click here and this watermark was erased. You can see the watermark is erased. So just save it and the watermark is fully gone. Here's the edited result with no watermark. Now it's time for the step 3 to convert your images into videos, especially to make 3D documentary videos. I will use Google Flow. Search Google Flow, enter in their website, create with Flow, log in if you're not logged in into their website. So I'll just sign in with Google. This AI tool gives you free 100 credits per month. So you can use these 100 credits to generate the videos for free, but each of the video costs 20 credits. So per month with one Google account, you can generate 5 videos for free. So you just can use your multiple Gmail accounts to, if you like this AI tool and if you're generating AI videos regularly. So hit on new project, select text to video or frames to video if you want. Drop your generated image here. It's asking for you to crop the image, so just adjust it and select crop and save. And after that you have to paste a prompt. So let's just write this prompt here. So I've written humanoids walking with attitude, fast speed, camera moving backwards. So hit on generate and wait for the result. You can see that it already costed me 20 free credits, so remained as 80 AI credits for this month. So here is our video ready. Let's watch it. Clean output. You see these two humanoids started running with really awesome background music. As they're running, their footsteps can be heard, which is really a great output we have got from Google Flow. So you can just download it from here using this download button. You can see everything is happening with the prompt. Now you understand how easy it is to create humanoid videos, these 3D humanoid videos. So try it quickly and use it in your videos. That's all about today's tutorial on making 3D documentary videos like this. Comment down your opinion on today's free AI method, hit the like button, and have a great day ahead.